here. So how did police finally catch up with the man they considered so dangerous, and why did it take so long?
WCNC's Anjanette Flowers went looking for answers.
You got to be safe where you lay your head at.
Robert Honeycutt remembers the scene on January 19th. That's the day Charlotte-Mecklenburg police say Timothy Mackey and another man shot two men and allegedly beat one of them severely. Weeks went by without any sign of Mackey until this weekend.
This was a highly crime area right here at one time, but it's slowed down a lot.
A call to Crime Stoppers led police right to him. Officers found him inside of this Charlotte home on Ilford Street, hiding behind a couch.
Once we exhausted our resources and really had come to a dead end in terms of any new leads developing with Mackey, that's when we went ahead and put him on our VCAT's most wanted list.
Mackey was among the first to be added to that list when it was unveiled in March, partly because of his criminal history, which police say includes drug, firearm, and robbery charges. The list goes after some of Charlotte's most dangerous.
Now that Mackey's been captured, we'll go ahead and replace him with somebody else.
And Mackey was also wanted for allegedly leading police in South Carolina on a pursuit just last week. He did make his first court appearance today in Mecklenburg County. We are live in the newsroom. I'm Anjanette Flowers, Carolina's News Connection.